Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy bone broth for weight loss. Bone broth is a fantastic addition to your diet, offering numerous benefits beyond just shedding pounds. It's packed with vital nutrients that support your body's natural functions, helping you feel full longer and reducing those pesky cravings. We'll cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to the perfect cooking methods, ensuring you create a delicious and effective broth to support your wellness journey. To create a truly healthy bone broth, selecting the right ingredients is key. Start with about 2 to 3 pounds of high-quality bones, ideally from grass-fed beef or organic chicken. These provide the most collagen and minerals. Don't forget your aromatic vegetables. 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks are perfect. A splash of 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar is crucial for drawing out all those beneficial nutrients from the bones. Now let's get cooking. First, for a richer flavor, you can roast your bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Then, place the roasted bones, vegetables, and apple cider vinegar into a large stock pot. Cover everything with filtered water, ensuring there's about 1 inch of space from the top. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for a minimum of 12 hours, up to 24 hours, for optimal nutrient extraction. Incorporating bone broth into your routine is simple and effective for weight loss. Try drinking 1 cup of warm broth daily, perhaps before your largest meal, to help you feel satisfied and eat less. You can also replace 1 meal with a hearty cup of broth to significantly reduce your daily calorie intake. It's also a fantastic base for healthy soups and stews. Store your cooled broth in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it in portions for longer use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.